Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to outline text in Krita. Start by creating your text with the text tool. Draw a text box, type what you want, and click Save to place it on its own layer. With that text layer selected in the Layers Docker, right-click the layer and choose Layer Style from the Context menu. This opens the Layer Styles dialog where you can add effects. In the Layer Styles list, find Stroke and check the box next to it to enable it. This applies an outline around your text. Then click Stroke in the list so you can customize its settings, like size, which is the thickness, position, where the outside option is usually best for text outlines, color, and opacity. Adjust the size slider to make the outline thicker or thinner, and pick the outline color you want. Setting blend mode to normal and opacity to 100% makes the outline solid and visible. Once you're happy with the outline settings, click OK. The text on your canvas will now have that border or stroke effect you set. And that's how you outline text in Krita. Thanks for watching.